In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and efficient. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. You'll want to find the Sales module, which is where all your sales-related tasks are housed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoices. This action takes you directly to the page where you can manage all your invoice-related activities. Now that you're on the Invoices page, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the plus New button. Give that a click. This will open up the new invoice screen where you'll be inputting all the details necessary to complete your invoice. Let's delve into filling out the invoice. First up is the customer name field. Here you can either select a customer from your existing database, or, if the customer is new, you can add their information on the fly. This flexibility is great for managing new and returning customers efficiently. Zoho Books will auto-generate an invoice number for you. However, you do have the option to adjust it. Simply click on the settings icon if you want to customize the numbering to suit your needs or preferences. If you have an order number that you'd like to include with this invoice, there is an optional field available for this. It can be particularly useful for tracking large or complex orders. Moving on, you'll need to set the invoice date and the due date. While the invoice date often defaults to the current date, you can change it to reflect the exact date of invoice creation. The due date is crucial for payment terms and can usually be set based on the agreement you have with your customer. If applicable, you should also enter the terms and salesperson information. These details can streamline communication and ensure everyone is on the same page. Now comes the item table section, where you'll list all the products or services you're charging for. Enter the quantity and rate of each item. Don't forget to apply any relevant tax or discounts. These might vary depending on the nature of your business or specific agreements with your clients. Additionally, fields for shipping charges and any necessary adjustments are available to provide a comprehensive cost overview. You can also add customer notes if there's any specific information the customer needs to know. Lastly, there are sections for terms and conditions and attachments. Make sure to clearly define any terms to avoid misunderstandings and attach any relevant documents like purchase orders or contracts for reference. And that's it. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, you can finalize and send your invoice. Congratulations! You've just created a professional invoice in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.